Good morning. In this video, I will guide you that how you can go and amend any document which you have created on Transact. Let's go to our transactions module for this. In our transaction module, earlier you needed to cancel the document before amending it. So we have changed few features. Let me open this particular order confirmation in order to show you how you can amend the document. Open this order confirmation. Now, on your right hand side, in the very top, you will see other actions. Click on this other action. Please have a look. Earlier, the amend option was coming after canceling the document. Now we have changed that. Now you can directly amend this document, or if you wish, you can also cancel this document and then you can amend this document. So click on amend option. It will ask you for the amendment. Now click on yes. Once you will click on yes, you can quickly make the changes in this particular OC. So suppose I wish to add a new item in this particular OC. So I will add item, I will add resin pack, I will put the quantity, and the price will be auto fetched from my inventory module. So all the details will be fetched from my inventory module. Now the tax, I will put 18%, 18%. I will go below and I will click on save and send. Once I will click on save and send, this particular OC is created after amendment. You can see number of items, OC amendment. One time this particular OC have been amended. So same going you can do in our purchase order, in our sales document like order confirmation, in our service order, and in our service confirmation. So all the documents you can go ahead and do that. I hope it will be helpful and it will be more easy to amend the document. Now have a good day ahead.